Hello, my name is Gisele Schoniger, also known as G, and I work at Kellogg Garden Product. And this fine chap over here is
Nicholas Staddon. I'm the plantsman for Village Nurseries. Today we're going to talk about acid planting mix. What's so special about the acid planting mix, Gisele?
Well, there's a whole group of plants that really require more of an acidic pH. Blueberries, Japanese maples, azaleas, camellias. So this is the perfect mix for those plants.
Great. Let's go and see how to do this. Today we're going to talk about acid-loving plants. The plant that's with me today is called Bountiful Blue, and it's really one of the finest on the market. Hardy to about a USDA zone 6. The plant is evergreen in the warmer climates, probably gets about 3 to 4 feet high and the same wide over a period of 4 to 5 years. In the wintertime, the blue foliage, which is exquisite, will change to a nice amber red color. In the warmer climate, she'll continue to hold her leaves. In the early spring, she gets covered with these small white pink blush flowers, and where every flower is, there'll be a blueberry. So you can see this plant, she's covered. And another great plant to use with the Gardener in Bloom acid planting mix and fertilizer are the Encore Azalea series.
Okay, so Gardener in Bloom acid planting mix, this is the mix you need for all your acid-loving plants. Blueberries, Japanese maples, azaleas, camellias, rhodies, all of these require an acid mix. In our Southern California soils, it's very dry, it's very warm here. Our pH is really high. It has fir bark fines and peat moss, which is an acidifying material that keeps that pH low. Blueberries typically like a 4 to 5 pH. So this is the ideal mix for you for any of your acid-loving plants.
Let's go and plant something. We've got this magnificent highly glazed blue container. Blueberries love to live in something like this, but remember, when you purchase your container, always make sure that there's a wonderful hole in the bottom like this. This lets the plant drain. Put a shard of broken pottery over the hole in the bottom of the container, and that stops all the soil washing out. So that's what I'm going to do right now.
And now we're going to add the soil directly from the bag, just straight the way it is. It's a perfect planting mix. A mix means that you can use it as an amendment in the soil or plant directly into it. Wonderful. Now I tend to use worm castings in everything I put in the ground. A little bit, couple of handfuls, right in the planting hole, down in the bottom. And then we're also going to add our fertilizer. Use your Rhodie azalea fertilizer right in the planting hole. And in a container, you want to fertilize once a month, in ground about every 2 months.
And now we actually get to plant the plant. It's really important. Make sure you hold her at the base, turn the container upside down, and gently pull it off. Okay? We've planted the plant about 2 inches from the lip of the soil, and we've planted her at exactly the same soil level she was in the container. Don't forget, give her a really nice watering in, and afterwards check that the soil level hasn't fallen down. If it has, then you add some more soil. Beautiful.
Very nice. Well done.
The blueberries, I've got it, but what's really in this bag?
Well, it has the right pH. It's a 5.5 balanced pH for acid-loving plants. And I also use worm castings really in everything I'm planting. It's nutrient fortified. It dissolves very quickly, so the plant has really quick nutrient uptake. It's like a time-release, slow-release fertilizer. It is a neutral pH, and it also helps minimize insect and disease attack, and it helps hold moisture in the soil.
Fantastic. So for a unique list and selection of acid-loving plants and the acid planting mix and the full line of products you will need to make you successful, make sure you go to Village Nurseries Landscape Centers.